You need to watch this if you struggle with making extra cash. This could change everything. Join Money Smart Basics as we take on the challenge of earning $5,000 monthly using just 4 low-commitment side hustles. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. What's up, everybody? It's Alfonso Brooks here, and today we're diving deep into the world of side hustles. Now, I know what you're thinking. Side hustles? Those are a dime a dozen. And you're right, there are tons of them out there. But here's the thing. We're not talking about just any side hustles. We're talking about low-commitment, high-reward opportunities that can potentially bring in an extra $5,000 per month. That's right, you heard me correctly. $5,000. We're going to be breaking down 4 specific side hustles that you can start today, all of which have been highlighted in a recent Forbes article for their earning potential and flexibility. We'll be covering everything from freelance writing to dropshipping, online tutoring, and even social media management. So, if you're ready to supercharge your income and achieve financial freedom, buckle up and let's get started. First up, we're talking about freelance writing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Writing? That's not for me, I'm no Hemingway. But listen, you don't have to be a literary genius to make serious money as a freelance writer. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented writers to create compelling website copy, engaging blog posts, persuasive marketing materials, and so much more. The demand for high-quality written content is only increasing, and that translates into a lucrative opportunity for skilled wordsmiths like you. The best part? You don't need any fancy degrees or certifications to get started. All you really need is a solid grasp of grammar, a knack for storytelling, and the ability to meet deadlines. Of course, having a portfolio of previous work can be helpful, but even if you're just starting out, there are plenty of ways to build your experience and showcase your skills. So, how do you actually find freelance writing gigs? Well, there are a ton of online platforms out there that connect businesses with freelance writers like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger. One of the most common questions I get about freelance writing is, how much can I actually make? And the answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. Your earning potential as a freelance writer depends on a variety of factors, including your niche, your experience level, the complexity of the projects you take on, and of course, your rates. Speaking of rates, setting your prices can feel a little intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. A good rule of thumb is to start by researching what other freelance writers in your niche are charging. You can find this information on freelance job boards, industry forums, and even by simply reaching out to other writers. Once you have a good understanding of the going rates, you can start to determine your own pricing structure. Many freelance writers charge by the hour, while others prefer to charge per project or per word. Experiment with different pricing models and see what works best for you and your clients. Remember, as you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can always adjust your rates accordingly. Don't be afraid to value your time and expertise. So, you've landed a few clients, you're churning out high-quality content, and the money is starting to roll in. That's fantastic. But what if you want to take your freelance writing business to the next level and really start scaling your income? One word: systems. Just like any successful business, a thriving freelance writing career relies on efficient systems. This could include anything from streamlining your invoicing process to automating your social media marketing. By implementing the right systems, you can free up your time and focus on what you do best: writing. Another key to scaling your freelance writing business is to specialize in a particular niche. This could be anything from finance and technology to travel and lifestyle. By focusing on a specific area of expertise, you can position yourself as an authority in that field and attract higher-paying clients. And finally, don't be afraid to outsource. As your business grows, you'll likely find yourself wearing multiple hats. Delegating tasks like editing, proofreading, or even administrative work can free up your time and allow you to focus on the bigger picture. Alright, moving on to our next low-commitment, high-reward side hustle: online tutoring. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, tutoring? That's something I did back in high school for some extra cash. But let me tell you, online tutoring has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. With the rise of online learning platforms and the increasing demand for personalized education, online tutoring has become a highly sought-after service. Parents are willing to invest significant resources in their children's education, and online tutoring provides a convenient and affordable way to supplement traditional classroom learning. But it's not just kids who are benefiting from online tutoring. Adult learners are also turning to online platforms to brush up on old skills, learn new languages, or even prepare for professional exams. The demand for knowledgeable and engaging online tutors is higher than ever before, making it the perfect time to capitalize on this growing market. So, what subjects are in high demand for online tutoring? Well, the usual suspects are always popular: math, science, English, and foreign languages. However, there's also a growing need for tutors in specialized subjects like coding, music, and even test preparation for standardized exams like the SAT and ACT. Now let's talk about where to find online tutoring gigs. Just like with freelance writing, there are numerous online platforms that connect tutors with eager students. Some popular options include Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, and Schooly, each with its own unique features and pricing structure. When choosing a platform, it's essential to consider factors like commission fees, scheduling flexibility, and the platform's reputation. Do your research, read reviews, and compare different platforms to find one that aligns with your needs and preferences. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to create a compelling tutor profile that showcases your expertise and experience. Highlight your qualifications, your teaching style, and any relevant certifications or degrees you may have. A well-crafted profile can make all the difference in attracting potential students. Don't be afraid to get creative with your profile. Consider adding a short introductory video, showcasing testimonials from previous students, or even offering a free consultation to entice potential clients. So, you've created your profile, you're all set up on a platform, and you're ready to start tutoring. But with so many other talented tutors out there, how can you stand out from the crowd and attract a steady stream of students? One word: differentiation. What unique skills, experiences, or perspectives can you bring to the table that set you apart from the competition? Perhaps you have a background in education, or maybe you've developed innovative teaching methods that have yielded impressive results for your students. Another key to success in the online tutoring world is to be responsive and communicative. Respond to student inquiries promptly, be flexible with your scheduling, and always strive to provide excellent customer service. Building strong relationships with your students can lead to repeat business and positive referrals. And finally, don't underestimate the power of continuous learning. Stay up to date on the latest teaching methodologies, brush up on your subject matter expertise, and always be on the lookout for ways to improve your skills and expand your knowledge base. Alright, let's dive into dropshipping. This is a business model that's been getting a ton of buzz lately, and for good reason. It's a relatively low-commitment way to dip your toes into the world of e-commerce without needing to handle inventory yourself. So how does it work? Essentially, you create an online store and list products from a supplier. When a customer buys something from your store, you then place an order with your supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. The beauty of this is that you don't have to deal with the hassle of storing, packing, or shipping any products. You're essentially the middleman, connecting buyers with suppliers and taking a cut of the profit. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham, this sounds too good to be true, and you're right to be a little skeptical. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and it takes work to build a successful business. But with the right approach, it can be a lucrative side hustle. So, how do you actually get started with dropshipping? First things first, you need to find a niche. What are you passionate about? What products do you think you can market effectively? Remember, the more specific your niche, the less competition you'll face. Once you've found your niche, it's time to find a supplier. There are tons of dropshipping suppliers out there, so it's important to do your research and find one that's reliable and offers high-quality products. You can check out platforms like AliExpress, Salehoo, or Doba to find suppliers. Next, you'll need to create your online store. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up a professional-looking store without any coding experience. Just choose a theme, customize it to your liking, and start adding your products. Finally, it's time to start marketing your store. This is where the real work begins, but there are tons of strategies you can use, from social media marketing to influencer outreach to paid advertising. Now let's talk about the money. How much can you actually make dropshipping? Well, that depends on a lot of factors like your niche, your marketing skills, and the amount of work you're willing to put in. Some dropshippers are making a few $100s a month, while others are generating six-figure incomes. The key is to focus on building a sustainable business for the long term, rather than trying to get rich quick. Remember, dropshipping is a real business, and it takes time, effort, and dedication to succeed. But if you're willing to put in the work, the earning potential is definitely there. And the best part? Dropshipping is a very low-commitment side hustle. You can start it with a relatively small investment, and you can work on it from anywhere in the world. So, if you're looking for a flexible way to earn extra income, dropshipping is definitely worth considering. Alright, moving on to a side hustle that's all about leveraging the power of social media management. In today's digital age, having a strong social media presence is crucial for businesses of all sizes. But let's be real, not every business owner has the time or the know-how to manage their social media effectively. That's where social media managers come in. As a social media manager, you'll be the voice of a brand online, crafting engaging content, interacting with followers, and running ad campaigns. Think of yourself as the digital marketing guru, helping businesses connect with their target audience and grow their online presence. This side hustle is perfect for anyone who loves social media, has a knack for creating compelling content, and enjoys staying up to date on the latest digital marketing trends. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started, just a passion for social media and a willingness to learn. Plus, social media management can be done entirely online, making it an incredibly flexible side hustle. You can work from home, a coffee shop, or even from a beach in Bali. As long as you have a stable internet connection, you're good to go. Now you might be wondering, what skills do I need to be a successful social media manager? Well, first and foremost, you need to be a master of all things social. That means having a deep understanding of different social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Each platform has its own unique quirks and best practices, so it's important to know how to tailor your content accordingly. Secondly, you gotta be a content creation machine. We're talking eye-catching visuals, engaging captions, and videos that hook people from the first second. Think about what grabs your attention online and apply those principles to your work. Of course, strong communication skills are a must. You'll be interacting with followers, responding to comments, and dealing with the occasional online troll. Being able to communicate effectively and professionally is key. Lastly, a basic understanding of social media analytics is super helpful. Knowing how to track metrics like engagement rate, reach, and click-through rate will allow you to measure your success and show your clients the value you're bringing to the table. So you've got the skills, you're ready to rock and roll, but how do you actually find clients? Well, one of the best ways is to network your butt off. Reach out to businesses in your local area or online and let them know about your services. You can also join Facebook groups or online communities for social media managers to connect with potential clients and find gigs. Another great way to showcase your skills is by building up your own social media presence. Create a professional profile, share examples of your work, and offer valuable insights to establish yourself as an expert in your field. Don't underestimate the power of online job boards. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn can be gold mines for finding freelance social media management gigs. And remember, word of mouth is still king. Tell your friends, family, and former colleagues that you're open to social media management work. You never know who might need your services or know someone who does. So there you have it, folks. 4 low-commitment side hustles that could potentially put an extra $5,000 in your pocket every single month. Remember, we talked about freelance writing, where you can get paid to share your knowledge and expertise. We explored online tutoring, which is perfect for those who love to teach and help others learn. Then we dove into the world of dropshipping, a business model that lets you sell products online without ever touching any inventory. And finally, we explored the exciting world of social media management, where you can help businesses build their online presence and connect with their target audience. Each of these side hustles offers flexibility, earning potential, and the opportunity to be your own boss. So if you're looking for ways to earn extra income, pay off debt, or achieve your financial goals, I highly encourage you to explore these options. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, keep hustling. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Am I the only one that didn't know you could make $5,000 a month from these? Let me show you. Try freelance writing, sell your crafts online, tutor in your favorite subject, or start a dropshipping business. All low commitment, high reward. Let's get hustling. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.